Good afternoon. This is Monica the Mom Tog, bringing you 10 days of editing with small presets. Today is day 3. I go through one a day of these bad boys right here, all the way from 1 down to number 10. It is day 3, so we are on number 3. If you are curious, this one right here was yesterday, day 2. And this was day 1, so this is small 1, small 2. And today we are just going to go ahead and jump right in with small number 3 and edit this photo. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and now we can get going. Alright, there it is, straight out of the box, no additional edits made. I'm going to auto white balance. I did that on the others, and so for the sake of just making this all the same, I'm going to do that again. This one does have a little bit of grain. I've bumped it down a little bit in the other videos. I'm just going to go ahead and do that here. Normally I would enable profile corrections, but I am going to do that in a different place. According to how the small presets work. Okay, so it's a little bit dark. I could mess with the exposure a tiny bit, but I was going to start with just the shadows first. I still kind of want the exposure up a tiny bit today with this particular photo. Let's look at the tone adjustments that come with the small presets. Usually I really love small number 3. For whatever reason, I don't really love it on this photo. I don't know why. I used romantic on video 1. I think that's what I'm going to go with here too. For some reason it just looks nice to me. It gives a nicer tone to her skin. I kind of want to make this a little bit cooler because I feel like it's just a little bit warm, so I'm going to adjust the temperature. Highlights aren't bad. Yesterday I took the highlights down. I don't hate them over here right now. There are some sharpening options here. I like how it is as soon as you click that button. So I'm going to leave these alone, but if you have a different preference for sharpening, you can adjust those here or in the panel. You can change up your grain. I already messed with mine a little bit. And then I always come over here and do lens profile, clean lens profile. Instead of coming over here and enabling it here. That's what I would normally do with these presets. I just click the button over here, or you can do it either way. It doesn't really matter. Okay, and that's basically it. This was such a super easy edit, especially after looking at the edits the last few days. Let's look at it compared to, oh, you know what we didn't do? We didn't straighten like I straightened the others. Okay, let's straighten it really quick. I'm looking at this vertical line right here of the wall. That's what bothers me most in this photo, so that's what I'm straightening. Ooh, this computer is slow today. Okay, so and it's still not even the same as this one, but there is small number 2, small number 1, small number 3. If you enjoyed this video, if you'll please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you like my work, you can follow me on Instagram at Monica_Brown_photos, or you can check out my website at www.monica-brown.com. Thank you so much.